Beads. My beads.
Come on, Charlie, let's go.
Can't wait for Cribs to get here, cause of my sweet ass house. Yo, where my beads at? Where my beads at? Who stole my beads? Erdine, where's my beads?
I don't know where your beads are.
Damn it, I know who did this. Boys, we're going on a hunting trip.
Oh, my, Charlie, these are some good-looking beads.
Yeah, I know, baby. Why don't you come on, get in this hot tub?
For some reason, I'm just feeling a little aroused by these beads. I'll come in and perch up with them with you.
Charlie. These look like my beads.
Yo, I didn't take your beads.
These are definitely my beads. Didn't you learn your lesson last time?
I didn't know they were your beads. I didn't know.
Oh, Charlie, what did you get yourself into this time?
Boys, hose them. Charlie. Didn't you learn last time that you shouldn't take things that aren't yours? What a disappointment. Oh, jeez, the feds are here.
The gig's up, Luigi. We know you host Charlie.
Charlie took my beads.
Yeah, well, when we're through with you, we're taking the beads for ourselves.
You dirty cops!
Boom!
Charlie's dead. The beads are ours.